Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investing journey together. So today, I'm actually going to be doing a portfolio update for you guys. And I just want to let you guys know that, yes, I use Robinhood, but this is not actually my main portfolio account. I actually have TD Ameritrade just because it allows me access to over-the-counter stocks. So I have most of my money in there, but I did start this account for fun, and I've been able to grow it pretty well. I started with an initial deposit of $9,000, so up $587. Obviously, you know, I've had some high times, I've had some low times. The market has not been doing that well, but I want to show you guys what I actually have in my portfolio and why. So we're going to scroll it down here. So the first couple of stocks, I have Norwegian Cruise Lines and Carnival. I've always said this, I'm actually super bullish on travel stocks, not because of anything, but they do have a lot of backing, not only from the government, but a lot of people love to travel. Vacations are never going to go away, and I know that once the pandemic actually kind of dies down a little bit, we find a vaccine and stuff like that, I know that, you know, Carnival and Norwegian Cruise Lines, people who didn't get to go on cruises this year are going to be aching to go on cruises, so I know that the demand for those stocks is going to come back. Like I said, these stocks both traded around $50. Now they're kind of sitting around 13 to 15 bucks. For me, I decided to buy, 100 shares for Carnival and 75 shares for Norwegian Cruise Lines. You know, like I said, I'm not expecting anything huge from these, but like I said, Carnival has a big backing by Saudi Arabia. Norwegian Cruise Lines is a big cruise line company, so I'm actually super bullish on those. And the next three stocks we have here, guys, is going to be American Airlines, United Airlines, and Delta Airlines. Kind of falls along the same thing that I was saying, that I'm actually really bullish on airlines, just because I know that not only do they always get federal aid, and I know that we're currently waiting on a stimulus, but I know that once travel does pick back up, I know that, you know, people are going to start flying again. You know, flying's never going to go away. It's an industry that's never going to go away. People travel for work, they travel for business, they travel for vacation. So I know that, you know, these stocks that all traded around, you know, basically almost double or triple what they're trading at now, I just thought, you know, that it'd be a very good investment. And some airline stocks also pay dividends. Next, guys, we have Bank of America. Why Bank of America? One, Warren Buffett has a lot of Bank of America. I'm always going to follow what Warren Buffett does. But Bank of America, I've banked with them for years. It's a good company, and I feel like it's very undervalued. And they also pay dividends, but that's my bank of choice when it comes to investing. I actually own some Genius brands. I said, why not, you know? 60 shares, it's not that much. I just kind of bought it for fun. But hey, you never know. Genius brands, I like the idea of Genius brands kind of having a whole kid show and streaming service. It's generally a very good idea. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to risk too much into Genius brands just because I don't know the future of the company. But I'm like, oh, you know, I'll take a little bit of a gamble. It's only $60. Next, we actually have PSEC and ORC. Now, these companies, I'm not really bullish on what they do, but they also are very good dividend stocks. So, you know, they pay me out, you know, couple bucks here and there when they have, you know, when their dividend reinvestment comes around. So I was like, you know, I'm going to own some dividend kind of stocks, and I know I'm going to start expanding more into the dividend category once I build this account a little bit more. Same with North American Tankers. Like I said, I'm down quite a bit on that investment. I bought it around like $4, but you guys also have to understand too that I just bought it mainly because they pay very good dividends. I also own some more NEO. Of course, NEO, the best stock ever. Only on this account, I only owe 20 shares. I actually own more shares on my TD Ameritrade account when I bought it for cheaper. But I said, you know what? I'll gamble this, and I bought NEO here. I think it was around $17 a share when I bought NEO. And I'm doing pretty well in that investment, so I'm pretty happy about that. Next, we also have Carnival. Like I said, 57 shares, not really much to say there. And I actually have 20 shares of Workhorse and 10 shares of Hyliion. So, like I said, I'm very bullish on the EV industry. Like I said, I have a lot more shares of Workhorse and Hyliion stock in my other account, which I am going to do an update video for you guys on that. But I just wanted to show you guys like kind of what my portfolio is, how it's kind of been doing, and why I chose these stocks. Cruises and airlines, because travel's never going anywhere. I got a couple of good dividend stocks in there. And obviously, you know, with the EV market expanding like crazy, you know, like I said, you know, I know that I'm eventually going to be up on those investments. I do want to show you guys my 1-year chart here. So as of 1 year, I'm up $2,000, which is pretty good. 3-month chart, I'm up $446, but the 1-month chart, I'm down $159. And the 1-week chart, I'm down $338. And then today, I'm down $109. Kind of want to just show you guys what I have in my portfolio, how my portfolio has been doing. And I don't check this account like, you know, all the time, like 24/7, just because, like I said, it's my for fun account. I know that this current portfolio is probably not going to do that well until we actually find a vaccine and things kind of start getting on the road again. So until then, I'd be happy with like doubling the value of this portfolio and kind of see where it goes from there. But with that being said, guys, That's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, if you guys recommend any dividend stocks I should pick up. What do you guys think of my portfolio? Do you guys think I should sell any of the current stocks I have? Do you think they're too risky? Very curious to hear your thoughts and concerns, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.